Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock a Nissan Sentra with keys inside. First, always double-check all doors and the trunk. Sometimes a door isn't fully latched. The simplest and safest method is to use a spare key if you have one readily available. If not, contacting a professional locksmith is often the quickest and most damage-free option, as they have specialized tools and expertise for various car models. If you're attempting a do-it-yourself approach, you'll need a wedge and a slim jim or a straightened coat hanger. Carefully insert the wedge into the top corner of the door frame to create a small opening, just enough to slide your tool through. Then, try to manipulate the internal locking mechanism or hook the door handle rod to release the lock. Be gentle to avoid damaging the weather stripping or paint. Another common DIY method involves a shoelace or a sturdy piece of string. First, tie a slip knot in the middle of the shoelace. Next, gently wedge the top corner of the door open, similar to the slim jim method, to create a small gap. Carefully feed the shoelace through the gap and try to maneuver the slip knot over the door's interior lock button. Once positioned, pull the ends of the shoelace to tighten the knot and lift the button. While these DIY methods can be effective, it's crucial to understand they carry risks. You could potentially damage your car's paint, weather stripping, or even the internal locking components. For peace of mind and to ensure no harm comes to your vehicle, calling a professional locksmith is highly recommended. They have the right tools and experience to unlock your Nissan Sentra safely and efficiently, often in just a few minutes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.